Hello everyone, welcome to Plant Manager. As we said, we also have a mobile app, an Android app on the Google Play Store named Plant Manager. You can just search that and open it. Once you open it, you have to log in with your username, password, and company code. The mobile app gets you to the dashboard page where it shows you the complete picture of the orders. How many orders you have, how many are completed, how many are pending, how many are planned, how many are scheduled and in process. So total machines and total products that are inputted in the masters that can also be seen on the dashboard. Once you go to options, you can also see the dashboard, then order status report. On order status report, you have a complete picture of the job cards on your shop floor. So you can see in the first column the status, then job card number, then customer name, order quantity, percentage completion of the order, delivery date, and expected completion date. Now the delivery date is nothing else but your customer committed date, and the expected completion date is the system given date, which is based on the downtimes and rejections and all the production scenarios which actually happen on your shop floor. Going to actions, you can click on the arrow and you can see process wise completion, a detailed report from what process, how much production happened, how much was accepted, rejected, what was the start and end date. Here you can see last production date where it shows when the production entry was done. So based on that you have a real time picture of what exactly is happening on your shop floor. Going back, you can also see a graph where you can have the percentage completion graphical representation of the job cards. Clicking on that, you can see how much percentage that job card is completed. Let us take for an instance the first job card, that is job card number to the JC 2017-18-8. Now when we go to options, if someone asks you, can we know what exactly is the job card status, so you can just type in your job card number. It's JC slash 2017-18/8, and when I submit, I again get this clear picture what can be my expected completion date and where on which process I am stuck. I can see that here. So you get the complete picture of how job cards are working and what exactly is happening on your shop floor based on these two reports. Coming to the sales plan and commitment report, you can just see an order wise report where you can see customer name, what product it is, what is the job card number, order quantity, delivery date committed to the customer, the first time planned completion date by the system, and based on the delays and you may say rejections and whatever delays happened during the production execution, the revised completion date, it can also be seen. So based on that you can communicate it to the customer when exactly we can deliver this job card. So you can check all the job cards. This report is same as we can see on our desktop in common reports. Coming to the next report, it is daily schedule report. Now here you can just click on that. Date wise you can get to know on what machine, what job card, what product, which operation I need to do, how much quantity I need to make, from what time to what time. So this particular schedule report can be checked by the production supervisor and he can assign these job cards to the respective machine operators, and based on this whatever operation happens, he can make production input on the next tab, that is production data tab. Now on production data tab, he can, when we go to search, he can select different dates, he can select the shifts, he can say what machine wise I want to do. If he wants to do job card what machine wise or job card wise, he can select that and click on that. So based on that he can check all the machine's data. So once he sees that on bandsaw 901 what job card was assigned, so he can just click on the job card number and he have the complete production entry page. So what is the product code, product name, how much was scheduled, how much I need to do. Suppose I make 89, suppose I don't make 89, let us take a real picture which is like he does only 75 and puts some downtime here. So he can also input some downtime, he has to add new. There was some problem like there was absenteeism or something like that, and how complete shift or say 2 hours there was no one on the machine, so he can just put that and set. So this downtime is registered. So what is his name, he can just put out his name and submit this production entry. So this gets successfully submitted. Now you can see that particular on your pending for inspection. Now again the quality inspector can have login through his mobile and he can accept or reject whatever quantity he wants. Suppose he accepts 74 and suppose he rejects 1, and due to some reason, whatever reason is added earlier, he can just put in that and he can submit that. So this is the way how he can enter his production, and you can check this production entry on your mobile from your login. Now this mobile app can be used by multiple users, multiple names, anyone can use it. Obviously he needs to have his own login password and company code. All the common reports can be seen here, so you have the complete picture of your shop floor. Suppose you as a management are on tours, you travel often. So when you are out of the factory location, you need to know how exactly my factory is working. So this is how you can check all the reports and you know where exactly we are lying, where exactly we are standing. So based on that, you can just call up your production guys and instruct them what they need to do. This is how the mobile app can be used. For any more queries, please get to support@plantmanager.in and raise your questions, and we will definitely get back to you. Thanks for your time and have a good day.